friends, welcome to toonscorner.com videos. Today let's see are eggs high in iron. Eggs are a nutritious food known for being an excellent source of protein, vitamins and minerals. However, when it comes to iron content, many wonder if eggs can provide a significant contribution to meeting daily iron requirements. Let's explore the iron content in eggs and how they fit into a diet aimed at maintaining optimal iron levels. Iron content in eggs. Eggs contain a moderate amount of iron, but they are not considered a high source of this essential mineral compared to other foods like red meat, beans, or spinach. One large egg contains about 0.8 milligrams of iron, with the majority of this iron found in the yolk. This is about 4% of the daily recommended iron intake for adults depending on age and gender. The type of iron in eggs is non-heme iron, which is less efficiently absorbed by the body compared to heme iron found in animal-based foods like meat. Non-heme iron requires the presence of vitamin C for better absorption, so pairing eggs with vitamin C rich foods like citrus or pepper can help increase iron uptake. Eggs and iron deficiency. While eggs can contribute to overall iron intake, they should not be relied upon as the primary source of iron, especially for individuals with iron deficiency or higher iron needs, such as pregnant women or those with anemia. For those who need to boost iron levels, it's important to include a variety of iron-rich foods in the diet, including lean meat, legumes, fortified cereals, and leafy greens. How to maximize iron absorption from eggs? To enhance the iron absorption from eggs, consider pairing them with foods rich in vitamin C such as tomatoes, broccoli, or bell peppers. This combination can improve the bioavailability of non-heme iron and help meet daily iron requirements. Eggs contain a moderate amount of iron, but they are not among the highest sources of this nutrient. While they can contribute to your daily iron intake, it's important to include other iron-rich foods in your diet to ensure you meet your iron needs. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share and comment our video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.